Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing. It's a long overdue unboxing of my Gucci haul. This is my haul from my vacation in Italy, and I knew when I went to Italy that I was going to go to Gucci and pick up some of things that I wanted to get that were on my wish list. And I knew that the prices were going to be amazing because of course Gucci is made in Italy, and I knew the prices would be a lot better than in the United States. So let me get started. The first thing I'm going to show you, I already did a video on this, but I wanted to include it in this big haul because I wanted to show you the two that I got. One from a regular Gucci boutique. So I got this one at the boutique in Rome, and it's their flagship boutique, and I knew I really wanted to get this particular belt there because I've been wanting this belt for over a year now, and I didn't want to spend full price on it in the United States, so I did end up getting it in the flagship store in Rome. And I'm not going to go into full detail with this because I already did a video about this belt, and I'm going to post it down below, the link, if you want to see the full review. But what I got was this Gucci GG belt. It is in the large size, not the thin one. I think the sizing here is an inch or inch and a half in width. I believe it's an inch. Let me just double check for you. Sorry about that. Let me grab my ruler. Here we go. Here's my ruler. I'm going to measure it. It is an inch, about a little bit over an inch. And let me show you. Maybe you can see it on the camera. It's a little bit over an inch in the sizing and the width, and it comes in the antique gold hardware. It's similar to the Marmont series that they have, and I wanted to get this belt, like I said, in Italy because the pricing is so much better. This belt retails for $450 US, and I believe I got this with all-in was a little bit under $350, so it was a pretty good savings, $100 in savings on this belt. So that's the first item I wanted to show you. The second thing I got in Florence. We went to Florence, and everyone told me to go to the outlet store there. There's a huge luxury outlet mall about 30 minutes outside of Florence. And I went there, and they have a gigantic Gucci outlet store there, the best one I've ever seen. And I live within an hour's drive of two Gucci outlet stores where I live in New York City. But this one by far beats it. So much nicer, so much bigger, so much more products and high quality different items. And what I got at the store was this belt. Now this belt is an older style. It is the silver hardware and the older GG logo, and it's also a calfskin belt in the red color. Oh, look at this gorgeous red color. I love the Gucci red. It's one of their signature colors, and I am so into this color. I love it. I love red as an accent color, and I have a Gucci Marmont bag in this red color that I think this will go well with, and it is just so stunning. This one, let me just measure it for you. Give you the ruler. I believe this belt is larger. It is the 1.5 inches. Show you. It's 1.5 inches. Oh, 1.5 inches in the width. So it's a larger belt, and it's just such a pretty belt. It's stunning. It is the older model, as I said. I think this came out, this belt came out 3 years ago, or 2 years ago. I believe it was either 2016 or 2017 model belt, which is fine. I mean, I love this style anyway, so I don't mind the old look. It is not reversible, and just like the black belt, it has 5 holes for you to adjust with. And this belt was an incredible price. It was 195 euro, I believe, or 199 euro, which is about a little over $200 US. And then with the VAT credit, getting it back, I think I spent all in like $190 for this belt, which is amazing. So yeah, I love, 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 love this belt. And then last thing I got is in this box. It's a tiny, tiny box. Not sure if you can tell what's in it. Again, the Gucci outlet, it was incredible. I'm gonna do another video where I show you some of the stores from the luxury outlets in Florence, and maybe I'm going to insert some video at the end of this video to show you the Gucci outlet store. But this is what I got. They had so much product, guys. I mean, a ton of bags, like stuff that you don't see in outlet stores here in the US. I mean, so much more stuff. I was like, this one I've seen once or twice in the outlet stores here in the US, but not in this color. So this is the black wallet on chain. Just take out the paper. This is the black wallet on chain in the, this is like a pebbled leather. Got all the packaging. So it is super cute. It has the silver hardware, again with the old-fashioned or the older GG logo. And it is a wallet on chain, so it's very tiny. And it comes with a silver, I'll show you, it comes in the silver chain. It still has all the packaging on it, so I'm so sorry. I didn't even take this. This is the first time I'm taking it out of the box. And here, I think, has a black. Let me try to open this for you. It has the black leather on the chain. So it's silver with the black on the top leather. And let me show you the inside. The inside's pretty roomy. You could probably fit an iPhone Plus in here. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 10 card slots in here on the front side. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 card slots in the back. So there's lots and lots of card slots. So 10 in the front, 8 in the back, and it has a zipper in the back pocket here where you can put bills and other things. And it's an opening on the inside where you can put your a tiny wallet or your keys, a key holder. You can put your iPhone or your phone in there, your Samsung or whatever you have. So yeah, this is so cute. This was an amazing deal. It was I think it was 350 euro, I believe, or 360 euro. I think it came out to be like $400 US when all was said and done. And it's so cute. Thank you for watching my haul. I'm gonna post a little bit of the video of the store so you can see the outlet store right after this video, so wait to the end to see the like a 1-minute clip about the where I just show you what the Gucci outlet store looks like. I didn't take any video of the Gucci store in Rome. Unfortunately, I totally spaced out and didn't do that. But if you're ever in Rome, definitely go to the Gucci store there in Rome. It is their flagship store and it is stunning. Definitely check it out. And yeah, I hope you like my haul. I love the things I got in Italy, and I totally want to go back because this was the best shopping experience I've ever had with Gucci. It was so amazing. The outlet store, it felt like an actual Gucci store with it didn't feel like an outlet. It felt like a regular Gucci boutique. It was just stunning. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for the clip that I'm going to insert right after this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!